Zoom, Skype, WebEx, Teams, Jitsi, Google Hangouts Meet. In the current corona crisis, many of us are using video conferencing systems a lot more than before. I myself spend several hours a day in front of my webcam these days. And maybe you do as well. But video conferences don't always run as smoothly as they should. That's why I'd like to share 6 simple tricks with you that will greatly improve communication in your video conferences. Tip number 1, place your webcam at eye level. In almost all laptops and PC screens, the camera is far from optimally placed. This often results in an unfavorable viewing angle. The people you're talking to will see you from a perspective of a small child or a pet. Here is a quick fix. Place your laptop on a base to place the camera at eye level. A professional laptop stand isn't necessary. A box or a couple of heavy books will do. After all, nobody will see it. Tip number 2, invest in an external webcam. If you want to go one step further, then buy an external webcam. The image quality is much higher than that of a small built-in camera. In addition, with an external webcam, you can adjust the height much better. For example, with a tripod, the way you see it here. Tip number 3, look straight into the camera. Eye contact is important in every conversation in order to appear credible, competent, and charismatic. However, in video conferences, most of the time, we'll look at the other participants on the screen and not into the camera. To improve, put a little sticker right next to your camera. I use a smiley face. It has the added benefit of reminding me to smile now and then, instead of looking grumpy. Tip number 4, light your face. What applies to us amateur photographers also applies to video conferencing. Avoid backlighting. Otherwise, only your silhouette will be seen. For best results, stay away from the window. The picture will be even better if you set up a light behind the camera. There are specialized lighting options for this, but a simple lamp will also do. Tip number 5, make sure you have good sound. Not only the picture, but also the sound quality is important. In most laptops, the built-in microphones are of poor quality, and they may also be placed close to the noisy ventilation of the device. For that reason, use an external microphone if possible. Either a standalone microphone like this one or a headset. This way, the microphone is always close to the mouth. Bluetooth headphones are also used by many people. However, not everyone has had equally good experiences with them. High-quality external webcams also have excellent directional microphones built in. They are therefore a practical alternative. Tip number 6. Pay attention to your background. The background sends many signals about you to the people you're talking to. So think carefully about what the camera can see and whether this is what you want to convey. A neutral background is definitely better than this mess. But it's even better if you invest a couple of minutes in selecting and arranging your background. Some video conferencing systems now have a function that allows you to blur the background. But this doesn't always work very well. It also makes the person you're talking to wonder what you're trying to hide. So I think it's better to avoid it. Of course, you could also use a green screen, like I did in this video, and insert a digital background. But that's probably going a bit too far, and it's not exactly authentic. But perhaps in the current situation it might help us to escape from our own homes, at least for a moment. In this spirit, I'd like to send a greeting to all my friends, my business partners, students, colleagues, and subscribers. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy. Together we will overcome this crisis.